Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my February, I almost said December, Boxycharm box. This is the base box as usual. So we are going to be opening this up, seeing what's inside, because as you guys know, I always like to keep it a surprise. So we're gonna find out what's in here. We're gonna try out whatever we could try out. I'll let you know if I think the products are cool, if when I touch them and feel them and potentially try them, if I think they're good. All of that fun stuff that we normally do. So before we get into that, please give this a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It means the world to me, so thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see me unbox the February base box from Boxycharm, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so as usual, I took the seal off right here so we're not struggling with it. So we're gonna open this up, see what's in it, see what products we could try out, see what fun we can have with everything, and just go from there. Like I said in the beginning, all of this is a surprise to me. I don't know what's in here. I never peek. I like to get a nice little surprise in the mail every month, so that just makes it more fun for me. So I have no idea what's in here. We are going to be finding out together. So here we go. So like I said, seal is off already. So I'm just gonna pull the tab up and it just has the Instagram handle and the hashtag. And it says, hello charmer. And then you open it up and it's the Boxycharm logo in hot pink. Beautiful as usual. This is a big box, so I think we're gonna have some big products in here. Let me just pull out the card. So it says Boxycharm Be My Glamantine, so definitely Valentine's Day themed. I love it. So we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna go in order from what the card says, read to you guys what the product is, how much it costs, and then we'll see what the products are. So the first product is from BEAUTE. It's the Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. It says the BEAUTE Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. Sounds amazing. Goes for $40, so definitely up there in price, but hopefully it is worth that price tag. So it also says that this is a new launch, so that is also very exciting. Let me just pull this out of here. This is absolutely beautiful. It just says BEAUTE Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. And then when we open, oh, there's 6 shades in here. Just taking this off. Has a mirror. Let me see. It's like pretty well sealed. This is actually a really good mirror. I really like this. I feel like I can clearly see everything on my face. So A+ for that. And these shades are actually really stunning. Let me swatch these really quick and then I'll come right back and I will tell you guys what I think about them. So give me 1 second. Okay, so they are swatched. Here is what all 6 of them look like. I just went like this, like across this way and then across this way. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of these are really beautiful colors and I feel like they're so pigmented and very soft when you touch them. And I also really like that these don't have so much like glitter, like flecks of glitter in them. Like it looks more like a glow, which is the kind of highlight that I like. I'm not a big fan of like sparkly, like glittery highlighters. I love more of just like that glow, you know, like a sheen. So this definitely has that. I have to say my favorite shade from the palette is this second one right here, Glowing. It's really pretty and I feel like it's gonna look really good with my skin tone. Let me just take a highlighter brush. I'm gonna dip it in there and I wanna apply it to my cheeks just to see what it does for me. Wow. This is really pretty, you guys. Wow. It's like definitely more of a beaming highlight, like it's intense, but in such a good way because it's not like glittery or anything like that. It's just glowy, so I feel like it's giving me a perfect kind of intensity. I'm not gonna lie to you, I probably don't see myself using these like really light shades, these 2 over here, very often, but I do definitely see myself using the other 4 a lot. This pink one I feel like is gonna look so good with a tan too. So I'm just so excited about this palette. This one, obsessed. And then next up on our card, we have from Teami Blends. It's the green tea detox mask. I've actually heard of this brand and I've heard really good things. So I'm actually very excited that this is in here. So it says this mineral rich mask will be a must have in your self-care routine. Made with organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. Goes for $29.99, so affordable for a mask actually. And then here is what this looks like. It's very, very nice. I like how subtle the packaging is too. This is the outer packaging. I think this is, if not glass, it's like a really sturdy plastic. So it's matcha lemongrass clay detox mask. I'm gonna be using this tonight. Like when I take my makeup off, I am using this. It says leave it on or dampen your face with water and then apply this with your fingers. Leave it on for 15-ish minutes. Use 1 to 4 times weekly, best applied at night. Let me see. It's definitely green. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand just to see like how it feels and everything. It definitely smells like lemongrassy. So this feels really cool. It comes out green. It feels like it feels like clay, literally, on your hand. And that's pretty much all I can say for now. Honestly, I'm not gonna do a mask on camera, but it feels really nice, smells good. And I've heard good things about this brand. So I am going to be trying this and I'll keep you guys posted on what I think about it because I have high hopes. Next up, we have from Wander Beauty. It's the Wanderess Escape Eyeshadow Palette featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rose hip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette features a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease proof for all day wear. Goes for $42. So again, like up there, mid in pricing. And here is what that looks like. Love like the beachiness of this palette. I just love that kind of theme. Let's see what's inside of it though, because I am excited to see what colors we're working with here. It's the exact same thing on the actual packaging of the palette. And then let's open this up. These are beautiful. These are like my kind of shades with like a pop of blue and a pop of like a pinky purple. Like I could definitely work with this. I'm gonna swatch these two really quick though, just so I can see what they look like. Also has a really, really good mirror. So I'm gonna swatch these and then I'll be right back and I'll let you guys know how they feel. All right guys, I just swatched everything on my arm. So it starts right here at this really light shade. The second shade is this dark brown, and then I'm working my way down. Sorry you have to look at my crusty elbows, please ignore. But these are stunning. I will say, I feel like the consistency of the formulas is not really the same for all of them. Like I know they are different finishes, so they're not gonna be exactly the same, but I felt like some were a lot more pigmented than others. Like a couple of the mattes I felt like were a little bit scratchy when I touched them, and they didn't go on as pigmented, but these shimmers, you guys, are insane, especially this like blue and this like pinky purple shimmery shade. Those felt like literal butter touching, and then they felt and looked so good going on my actual skin. Like it's insane how pretty these are. I do think I want to take a little bit of Daydream though, just something a little more subtle, this shimmer right here. And I'm just gonna dab a little bit onto my eyelid just to see what it does. And it's doing some good already, I can tell you that. Just a messy little job just to see how it looks. This is really, really, really pretty. It's like not too golden, because I'm not a big fan of like pure golden eyeshadow shades. I like it when they have a little more warmth, and this is giving exactly that. Like it's goldish without being too gold. Like it still has a subtlety to it, a naturalness to it. So beautiful. This looks beautiful on my eyes, pigmented and natural at the same time. Looks wonderful, so easy to use. They feel amazing. So far, I really like this palette. I do need to play around with it a little bit more to see what else it does for me, what kind of looks I can create. But just from this, I'm obsessed. So I'll keep you guys posted on what I think about this once I play with it more, but definitely not the last time I'm gonna be using that. So next up we have from ILLAMASQUA. It's the Hydra Setting Spray. Hydra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. Infused with pea peptides rich in amino acids, Hydra Setting Spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Goes for $26, so I would say pretty standard for the setting sprays that I've been purchasing. But hopefully it performs as well as those. So here is what this looks like. It's just like a very like plain packaging. I'll be honest, this isn't like my favorite. Obviously, all it comes down to is how good the actual spray is, but I'm just saying, I'm a sucker for packaging, and this one is not one of my favorites that I've seen. So I'm just gonna spray it on my face and see what happens. So here we go. Okay, so I will say it felt very good going on my face. Like it felt really refreshing and cooling. Like it just felt like I sprayed water on my face. So it felt really good. It had like a tiny hint of a smell, but it was good and it was like barely noticeable. So that's not gonna bother you, I don't think. It doesn't bother me. And the only thing I didn't like for right now is the kind of sprayer that this has. Like I really am not a fan of these kinds of spray things because it literally did spray chunks out at my face, and I'm sure you could see those on my forehead. You see what I'm seeing, I know. And sometimes that can mess up your makeup a little bit, so I really don't like those like sprayers that spit chunks of water at you because it ruins all the hard work you did. So that I do not like. So far though, it feels really nice. I don't know as far as lasting power because this is just a first impression, but this is another one I'm gonna keep you guys posted on. I do like how it felt though, I just don't like how it sprays on, so questionable. And then last but not least, we have from BALI BALM, the Pineapple Lip Scrub. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. The super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. Goes for $23. So here is what this looks like, this little guy. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. And let me see. Oh, I think I had another product from BALI BALM. I think it was like an oil, and I remember I really liked it and I was using it after getting the box. Like sometimes I'll see things in here and I don't touch them again, but that one I actually used. Like I kept it in my car and I'd use it all the time when I was at work. So I'm hoping that this one is just as good as that. This smells super good. It literally smells like pineapple. I am actually going to use this as soon as I take my makeup off today because my lips have been so chapped. It's been so freaking bad. So I've just been needing something that's going to help my lips and just keep them hydrated a little bit. It's so hard when it's like cold and dry outside. So this came just in time. I can't stop smelling it because it literally smells like pineapple candy. Let me just take a little bit and see what it does on the back of my hand. I really like that this isn't stiff. Like it almost feels like sugar, like you could dip your finger into it. And just putting it on the back of my hand here. Yeah, it feels really good. It is a sugar scrub, but it feels very hydrating at the same time. Like it feels liquidy, which I really like. I don't know how well you guys can see it because it's clear, but it felt really good putting it on the back of my hand. And I really liked the other lip product that I had tried from this. So I do have very high hopes for this. I think it's gonna go really well for me. I'll keep you guys posted. I am gonna try this tonight, so we'll see what happens. But that's it. That's all 5 products for this month's Boxycharm box. I think this one was a great one. The only product in here that was like somewhat questionable to me was the setting spray, just because of that weird sprayer. But all the rest of these products, and even that one, I'm going to be continuing to use and test out and see how I like them, because all of these like piqued my interest and I'm excited to keep using them. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. comment and let me know as usual. Let me know what you got in your box if you do Boxycharm too. I love to hear what you guys get in yours and if we got the same stuff in our boxes, if we're box twins. So just let me know. Let me know your thoughts on the products that I received in my box, and just say hello, show me some love, give me some suggestions for videos that you guys want to see from me. Your opinions mean the world to me, so just let me know what you guys want to see. Thumbs up, please, 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 and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.